Hi, I'm Stacy Francis of Francis Financial. And wow, what a difference a year makes. Just 12 months ago, bonds were down sharply, stocks were also down sharply, and analysts were calling for a very challenging 2023. But those who stayed invested were definitely rewarded. 2023 turned out to be a bang up year, stocks increasing almost, well, actually over 20% for some indices. And just this last Monday, the market hit a all new high, definitely running into bull market territory. So, is the bull market here to stay? What are the indicators that you need to be thinking about? Well, the first one is growth in the economy, and the economy is still growing. In fact, the unemployment rate still remains remarkably low. Inflation has been also cooling since its peak 2 summers ago, and easing so much so that Wall Street's biggest question is when the Federal Reserve is going to lower interest rates. We know that lower interest rates are going to be coming this year. The real question is when, but the market is very excited. In fact, the consumer is also excited. We just looked at a report out of the University of Michigan that came out last Friday showing that consumer sentiment is also roaring higher. Consumers are feeling confident, more confident than they ever have since June 2021. Why is this important? Well, because consumers are the ones that are a big important driver of the economy. So, what does this mean for you? What does it mean for your portfolio? And what does it mean for the economy? Well, all of these wonderful tailwinds, according to FactSet, shows that analysts expect the S&P 500 in 2024 to report double-digit earning growth. That is great news. In fact, year over year earnings growth rate for this year is projected to be at 11.7%, which is actually quite a bit above the 10-year average earnings growth rate, which is closer to about 8.4%. But that being said, the stock market is not the place where you should be putting your short-term cash. If you need money in 1 to 3 years for an emergency fund, a down payment, a large vacation, or something else in the near future, well, a high interest money market account is better for you. Currently, you can gain access to money markets through Francis Financial, paying out upwards of 5%. However, if you do have cash sitting on the sidelines, well, now is a good time to get that money working for you for long-term investors. And if you have questions about how to get that money working for you, please do reach out to Francis Financial. Francis Financial is a fiduciary wealth management firm. We manage over $500 million. I founded the firm 20 years ago, and we were voted just last year in 2023 by USA Today, one of the best financial advisory firms here in the United States. So reach out to us, and you can go to our website at www.francisfinancial.com.